Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove accessibility icon on any Samsung phone. Now, if you see this accessibility icon on your navigation bar, and if you want to remove the accessibility icon, first of all, just tap on the accessibility icon and see what action appears on the screen. Now, as you can see on our smartphone, the accessibility icon enables select to speak. Now, this could be different on your smartphone. For an example, it could be the accessibility menu or any other accessibility settings. Now, to disable this icon, just open settings, then go to accessibility. From here, just disable the accessibility settings, which is enabled on your smartphone. Now, on our smartphone, we will have to disable select to speak. So just tap on installed apps and tap on select to speak. Now just disable select to speak. Now if the accessibility menu is enabled on your smartphone, instead of select to speak, just select accessibility menu and disable this toggle, just like that. And this is how you can remove the accessibility icon on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.